Thing is clean, bro. I'm gonna show y'all. Hey, man, you put it on your chest, boy.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, I'm crying. What's up, guys? I am now headed to go meet one of the supporters of the channel. His name is Clint. So, yeah, he at Justin's shop right now, getting the Hornblaster kit put on his truck. So we'll go over there, check him out, say what's up, and then we'll see y'all in a second. Roll back here and see. Clint, you gotta say what's up to the channel.
Oh, what's going on?
Hey guys, so Clint, so Clint has been supporting the channel, watching the channel, man. He actually bought his F150 up here to get the train horns put on here. Justin, man, this thing is clean, bro. I'm gonna show y'all. This thing is nice, bro. Got the ridge grapples on there, the fuel wheels. I like this, man. Man, it's clean, bro. Not like a black truck. So you got the, oh, you got the brake cover on there too. All up, man. Oh, you got the Vertex reservoir shocks in the back and the coilovers up front, right?
Correct.
Yeah, bro, both of them. Okay. Got it clean. V8 is 3.5.
It's 3.5.
3, hey, man.
I miss my V8.
Do you?
Yeah. It is what it is. I take it. I take it. I like it.
And here's his train horn system. He got the same one I got, guys, getting put on right now. Y'all can see it there. Don't blow. But yeah, so he getting his set up, man. Oh, you go ahead and take a look at it, bro. Oh. You might gotta take a look at it, huh?
No.
Oh, okay, yeah, you gotta take a look at it. How do you get it put on? Thing is pretty loud, man. I'm telling y'all right now, man. Yeah. So, yeah. Oh, he got the tail lights tinted. Look nice. It look good. It's a good looking truck, man. Real clean. And you said he came from Kansas, right?
Correct.
I always drove to Kansas. He was
Wichita, Kansas.
Oh, Wichita, Kansas. He came to town for the holidays, and so he came to get the train horn kit. But y'all see, got the coilovers right there. LED front end, 20. He's at 2020. 2020. I know he said he did the emblem, got the all black, and that look real good. I like that. It looks real good. Really good. I will say he said he don't really do social media.
No.
So y'all can't go follow him on there, man.
Sorry.
Yeah, this is clean. It's hilarious. So you got sunroof?
I do.
You do? Damn. Oh, do you? Oh my God. Guys, he got the full panel sunroof. Dude, I want one of those. Oh, that's the thing I wish I had the most in my truck.
That thing is awesome. I
man,
love riding around.
it
Just open up that top and just get to going.
Probably make the thing feel huge inside, man. And y'all, it's a clean truck, man. Real nice truck. You got rock lights in here too?
I do.
You do? Dang.
I only got what? 8, I believe. So
8. Okay. Man, so you got this whole thing tricked out. Rock lights, everything in here, guys. You got all colors or just white?
Just white.
Just white. Yeah. So it's a good looking truck. I bet this thing is nice. It looks nice, man. You say what now?
I say I don't need security forces harassing when I come on base.
Oh, they'll harass you about your lights?
Well, some states it's illegal to have the red and the blue one. So.
Oh, okay. So you saying that's why he did all white? You ain't got to worry about cops with the color. Yeah.
I'm good.
You mind telling what you do? You say you do?
So Air Force 22 years, aircrew flight equipment, superintendent. So
that's what's up, man.
I love it.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. He told me that, like, man, that's not gonna. I ain't gonna lie to you. That sounds cool. I always been a fan of jet guys and flying. And, that's just fun to me. But anyway, man. So yeah, that's him. He's been supporting. I just want to show y'all his truck, man. It's a beautiful truck, like super beautiful, man. You got some front tint on yours?
I do.
What percent is that?
That's a good question. Me and Justin was just talking about it. I'm like, I don't even remember what it is.
It looks good.
It might be 50%.
It looks good. You can tell, but you can't, and so that's why I had to add. See, I would like something like that because it's not too noticeable with the cops. You know, like I don't know.
I'm about to say you can still see in. I can still see out in that.
Yeah. So in Kansas, is the tint front windshield illegal? Do you know?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I got it done when I was in Florida, so.
You travel around a lot. I forget you travel around a lot. So in Texas, it's illegal, but this looks. Yeah, you can't do it in Texas. But this look.
I won't say nothing about the companies in Texas.
But I mean, in Texas, man, look, Texas tint laws is more strict than their gun laws. But if in Texas the gun laws, you can do whatever you want. But with tint, nah, you can't have that tint on there. It's crazy, man. But yeah, that looks good because it looks. It's not it wouldn't catch a cop's attention is what I'm trying to say. But I can tell that it looks pretty good. Man,
I got all the buttons on the windshield.
Oh man, it's all good, man. It's been raining.
Work right there.
So you drove all the way. You drove here in your truck from.
Yes.
And so, and you, know, you only drive so you got 35, 12 and a half, like 22 guys. You know, with my 37s, man, that truck my truck would hate that. You know, gas would be terrible. But with this, you can do that. Like this is
gas is great. I made on one tank.
One tank. What you averaging MPG? You know,
about 13.7.
Okay, that's about normal. But yeah, you can do that. So right now I'm averaging about, man, like 11.5, you know. Right. I mean, in the truck, I can definitely feel the weight of 37, so I'm thinking about like re-gearing it. Okay. Maybe, I don't know yet. It's expensive, man. I've been pricing it. Yeah. It's like, you're looking at like $3 grand per, so like $3 grand for the front, 3 for the rear, and I don't think that include labor. So it's up there. I could be wrong, but. 3 grand? Yeah, I man. So you with this setup, you good. I don't think you have to re-gear. Are you tuned at all? By chance? You tuned? Got a tune?
Well, I just got my Cobb tuner in, so.
Oh, did you? Okay.
I'm about to hook that up when I get back over there.
Okay.
My wife's grandmother's house.
Okay. So with the tune, it ain't that bad. With the 37s, I mean, it rides fine. The other night I was playing around, having some fun. I got to about, about 105, 37s, but if I re-geared, I can tell.
I mean, I can definitely notice on takeoff that it's a little bit slower.
Yeah.
It'll be all right. I'll throw the thing in sport mode and I go.
Yeah, man, in sport mode, and he got a 3.5 Eco Boost, man. Like y'all heard him saying. So these things don't play around. They pretty fast. I don't care what nobody say, but I really like that tint. I like that. I really like that a lot. And you tinted on the sides as well?
Yes.
Got you. Man, you got this thing clean, guys. Y'all, I feel like to say go check them out, but y'all enjoy what y'all see. It's a beautiful truck, man. So, but anyway, man, appreciate you hitting me up. He hit me up, said he was out here, so I had to come by, and say hey. No problem, man. I like people. He supported the channel and watched the video. Like, at least I can do. You came all the way from Kansas. At least I can come out and stop by and say hey, But yeah, guys, I appreciate y'all checking this out. Beautiful truck, and I'll catch y'all. Ooh, hold on, look at the lights. Ooh. Tell y'all, this is my favorite front end on the Ford, guys. This year model is dope. Ain't that look so good? Look how mean that look. See gonna see it in the camera? Look at that. Look how it come on camera. It just look real menacing. You good? Sheesh. Yeah, man, you feel it on your chest, boy. Yeah. You do feel it in your chest, man. Holy, it's loud, man. I had some fun with that. Guys, so there you go, man. He got the Hornblasters on there, waking everybody up. I've been using it lately when people been cutting me off. Right. My wife be like, you need to stop that. You gonna get us shot at, out here in Texas, everybody carrying guns, man. You
on that way home.
Are you is?
I said when we go.
Yeah.
There's a certain part where you got to merge. There's 2 sections where you got to keep merging in and nobody wants to let you in.
Yeah.
So I'm like, you just sit all the way in the back and merge. I'm like, look, stop cutting people off and let's go.
You're right. Man.
I got you.
This thing clean though, man. It do sound like a train horn. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. See, got nice God. Bring that childlike laughter back, man. Man. Hey, what's up, guys? I don't know where this at in Vlogmas or whatever, but y'all can see. Tell, man, your boy is sick. Yeah, man. So right now I'm on my way to go get a COVID test. With work and everything, like with COVID right now at work, like honestly, when you get sick, they don't say you get a COVID test, but they don't make you get one. They don't even say anything. It's automatically assumed that you might have COVID, so you have to go get a COVID. You don't have to go get a COVID test, but you probably should, That's what I'm on my way to right now. I haven't seen my truck in like 3 days, bro. Like, haven't driven it in like 3 days either. Yeah, I wonder what it is, the weekend at Thanksgiving, man, so I'm pretty sure I got sick. I was around a lot of family and stuff who came out of town, a lot of people. So I'm pretty sure I got sick from that. Ooh, I'm out of breath. So, yeah, I'm about to go get a COVID test. Yeah, boy, ain't feeling like crap, but, man, I'm tripping. Y'all saw me jump, man. The gate came down on that side. I'm tripping. That jump almost hit. I thought it was gonna hit me. We've been watching the channel, following the channel for a while. I get sick every year, and this goes back to when I was a kid, either around Thanksgiving or around Christmas or New Year. Always. I usually get sick maybe once, twice a year. If it's one time, it's gonna be around this time of year. Every freaking year, it never fails. Like I said, if you go back and video of vlogging for last year, the last video I did, I was sick. And then the year before that, when I went to Louisiana with my wife, and one of y'all commented, like, hey, you should do a video like that again. I was sick. I got sick the week before that, and then I got sick again a week after that. I think that's when I had COVID. That was in 2019, actually. If you wanted, I don't really care, but yeah, I did get the vaccine too. Took a while, actually. I waited for a long time to get the vaccine, but so I am vaccinated. I do have my flu shot as well. I hope not to bleed the flu. I had the flu before, and I wish that on nobody. The flu was freaking terrible, bro. Oh my God, when I had the flu, I thought I was literally gonna die. Like, it's terrible. Let's see. Oh, gotta put my mask on.
Hello, we'll be right with you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
You know one thing I noticed about the pharmacy, guys? I don't know if y'all can hear me. The pharmacy is never fast. It's always slow. Always. I don't know who's slower, the pharmacy or Popeyes. Comment below. I wonder if they can hear me right now, too. I'm sure talking to them. I'm here to take a COVID test.
Have you done this before?
No, I have not.
No?
No, ma'am.
Right, no worries. I'll go ahead and check you in, and then I'll give you brief instructions before we start.
Okay.
Give me 1 second.
Okay. Comment below if you also have done this whole COVID test thing before, man. I've done one before, but I actually went to like the little booth they had, and they put you inside. This is my first time doing like the drive-through.
I'll give you the instructions now.
Okay.
Just a reminder, this is a PCR test. It takes about 1 to 2 days. With the soft swab, you basically just want 1 to 2 inches in your nostril. Ideally, it's really just a cotton swab up in your nostril, and you just want to tilt your head back. Stop when you feel resistance, and then you're going to be making circles. You just want to get as straight as you can for the lab. So it's going to be 15 seconds each nostril, same swab. After the swab, you're going to go ahead and split this in half. There is an indentation. This end is trash. This end you're going to put in the test tube, and then you just want to put the cotton where it touches the liquid. The test tube is just an easy twist on and twist off. Make sure it's really tight once you have your sample in there. And once you do, you're just going to drop it in this Quest diagnostic bag.
Okay.
You're going to be papers in it. Don't take it out. You're just going to leave it in there. You just want to drop the test tube in, and you just want to do it sideways just so you can fold it in 3 folds. And if you look on your left side, there is a white collection box. That's an easy one step. This is the only thing we're collecting from you. The test is inside. Everything else is trash for you.
Okay, gotcha.
And then I am giving you sanitizing wipes just so you can sanitize the lids before and after, just because we've had many COVID tests, so a lot of people have touched it. So let me go ahead and get your kit ready. It looks like your insurance went through perfectly.
Okay.
Give me 1 second, okay?
Yep. So they said a lot of people have touched the lid who had COVID. So hopefully I don't get it from touching the damn lid.
Do you want me to guide you through the whole test, or you think you got it yourself?
I got it.
Alright.
All right.
And then that micro account that you did create, that's where they're going to send your results directly.
Okay.
Here's your kit. Before you do start, if you could just make sure that the test tube has your name and your date of birth correctly labeled on it.
Okay. Okay, yeah.
Alright, you may start.
Okay.
If you have any questions, do me a wave or press the button.
Okay. Thank you. You too, thank you. I bet the guy behind me like, man, what the hell is going on, bro? Take this.
Jesus Christ. Oh my God, boy.
Hey. Guys, I'm crying. No cap. I think that's it, guys. Sheesh. I am literally crying. Nose running and stuff, man. Oh, I didn't even have to stick it far. It's just something about the type of bristle on that brush or something, man. It just kind of mess with your nose, bro. Yeah, it's a COVID test, guys. So I get my retest back in like 2 days, 1 to 2 days. So hopefully it's negative. All right, guys, what's up, man? Your boy finally feeling better. I got my COVID test results back a few days ago, actually. But I just, for the purpose of this video, show y'all what we got. And your boy is negative. So no COVID, just seasonal sickness. But I'm finally feeling better, man. So we're gonna get out here and get this content for y'all. But I appreciate y'all watching the video, and I'll catch y'all next one. Peace.